Unique Amazon finds for this month. These fruit cup slicers that are really helpful for meal prep. This one-touch grinder with stainless steel blades that works with spices, beans, and coffee. This collapsible shoe storage box that looks great, keeps all your footwear organized, is really easy to assemble, and can also be stacked. These carton-shaped bottles that are perfect for storing liquids, is BPA-free, and also looks really aesthetic. This cute glass vase that is shaped like a handbag makes a room more attractive while displaying a touch of personality as well. These fruit and veggies containers that are made of high-quality plastic and great for keeping sliced vegetables and fruits fresh for much longer. This dust-proof shoe organizer that can fit perfectly under your bed or closet and also has adjustable dividers. This unique spatula that is perfect for flipping eggs, pancakes, and more. This countertop water dispenser with adjustable height feature to fit any glass or bottle.